Click the sliding menu. Under Manage Teamie section, click Manage Classroom, and then choose Add a Classroom. Enter the group unique code. This is the unique classroom identifier that cannot be same for any two classrooms on the site. Enter the title of the classroom. Enter its description if required. Select the course, level, and academic session. These are the classroom fields that can differ from site to site. Tick to enable lesson progression in the classroom to ensure learners complete a lesson before accessing the next lesson. Select the group type from the Group Type drop-down field. You can choose to create the group as a classroom, social group, or a common group. These group types may differ across sites. If the Classroom Catalog feature is enabled on your site, you will have the option to open the classroom for automatic or approved self-enrollment. By default, the enroll type is set to no self-enrollment. If the credit feature is enabled on your site, then you can set the credit that would be awarded to the learners for completing the classroom. If the SBGR feature is enabled on your site, then you can map the predefined objectives to the classroom using the grade and subject meta fields. If required, you can allow the access of the classroom's gradebook to the parents. If applicable, you can also configure the QR login of the Teamie Primo app. Click Save to create the new classroom.